Hello， 大家好 ，My name is Uncle Siow. So recently, Uncle Siow inbox get a lot of comment and tell me very good looking.
Okay.
Okay, no, I mean how to fix my back pain with numb, very numb. So first I thought he sit toilet too long and get leg numb, bang side too long. Actually not, he say he got the leg numb from the back pain. So today Uncle Siow gonna teach you how to remove and dissolve your leg numb, okay? So very simple. Let me check my list, okay? Simple but forgot. Uncle Siow today gonna teach you how to do the nerve thoughts, okay? So how to reduce your leg numb. Okay, please don't do it at the toilet. Find a proper place like this. Yeah, you can do a dry swimming. Wow! So very simple. You lie down. Very simple. You lie down. Okay, and move one leg up. And what you gonna do? You put your hand under your heart and pull. Okay. So what you want to do is you make sure your ankle can move flexible like Uncle Siow. You see, very beautiful. So what you also can do is you straighten your leg and move your ankle. Ankle. You feel very good. Okay. So this one can help a lot on your ankle nerve. Okay, and also your sciatica nerve. Okay, here. This one, you're gonna swim like Miami, okay, 美人鱼. So what you're gonna do is you turn your leg down, okay, and you move your leg back. Very simple. Okay, and you move up. Okay, you make sure you move your sexy butt in, turn your knee in, and you turn your knee up. Okay, and you go down, and you go up. Okay, so this one you're gonna feel very good on your hips, relieve the nerve, okay, especially on your sciatica nerve, okay, not sciatica nerve. Okay, ready or not?
Okay.
So next one, enough already. If you want to watch more, you remember. Click the subscribe, okay? So Uncle Siow gonna teach you more. So next one, this one very simple. I think all the ladies love to do, especially when the husband comes home. Okay, so what you gonna do? Put your leg open, okay? Your leg standing, and you gonna sit down your butt, touch your calf, relax, and you come up, okay? And you push your butt backward. And you come up. So this movement very simple. You make sure your hand don't get very tired, like octopus. Okay. So what you're gonna do? You just sit down back and get up. Okay. You make sure when you do this movement, don't fart. You fart, then your husband, your wife don't allow you to do anymore. Then you cannot no longer watch Uncle Siow video. Then Uncle Siow teach you 3 movements how to resolve your neck nerve, your neck numbs. So now you feel better. If you feel better, you comment below. Tell Uncle Siow is better. If you feel very good, please share it out to many people with leg numb, back pain. Hopefully, it can help you a lot. Okay. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.
Moments later.
Hello, selamat sejahtera. If you free or you day, please come to Uncle Siow workshop. Uncle Siow mesti janji anda tidak menyesal. Mesti boleh dapat ilmu yang berikhlas, ilmu yang bervalue, kenangan yang terindah. Anda akan dapat tahu macam mana relief anda punya belakang sakit. 我会在以上或者以下的日期跟大家见面。等我apa lagi? Jom register.